You can earn anywhere between $2 to $5 for just reading an email. People from all around the world are taking payouts in their bank account. So that means no matter where you are from, even you can make money by reading emails, which only takes less than a minute. For this, you just need to sign up, then read emails and then get paid. The advantage of using this website is you can receive daily emails, you can receive the payment within 24 hours and the payout limit is just $15. If you create an account and activate it, you can get $3 sign up bonus. If you want to know about this website, just watch the video till the end and I will reveal it soon. So first, you need to sign up on this website. Click on the gender, give in your first name, the primary email, the password and confirm your password. I will show you a real example of this. Then you need to click on sign up. So once you click on sign up, you will be redirected to this page where you need to enter your first name, last name, email address and the zip code. Then you need to tick on the agreement and click on the reCAPTCHA, then click on sign me up. As you can see, I have got the $3 sign up bonus here. Now if you scroll down, you can see many other ways to make money from this website. Cash surveys, cash offers, earn points and paid emails. We are going to go with the paid emails here. Just click on the earn more reading emails. Then an activation email will be sent to your email address. Then you need to confirm it there. So now you can see my inbox is empty. You just need to wait for 1 or 2 hours to start receiving the emails. Now if you go to your profile, here you need to enter your phone number and the PayPal email address to receive your money. So here $1 is equals to 100 points. If you want to use some of your points here, you can use the points in your guaranteed emails or you can just withdraw in your PayPal account. For that you need at least 1000 points. You can even withdraw through Amazon gift card, Google Play gift card, Starbucks e-gift card and much more. So this is my main account. As you can see, I have received so many emails here. As of now, I have received 2 new emails. One is for $0.02 and other is for $0.04. You just need to click on this email and here you need to click on the confirm reading this paid email. Now after clicking, you will be redirected to a random page and you just need to wait for 10 to 15 seconds on this page. Just scroll or do the survey here. Then now you can close the page. There is a message called thank you for reading this paid email. Now if you go into cash, you can see I have just earned $0.04 and my new amount is $3.12. So once you get $15, you can just request your payment in your PayPal account. So I hope you like this video. If you want more such videos, please do share, subscribe and comment down below. I will be bringing new videos on making money online.